Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning all. So today we are from the fifth group would like to present our presentation about the qualitative research. Before start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Meloren Cinaek.
And my name is Nurfita Sari.
And my name is Tahira Kairisha.
So, what is qualitative? You can see the slide first. Qualitative research is a process of naturalistic inquiry that seeks in-depth understanding of social phenomena within their natural setting. It focuses on the why rather than the what of social phenomena and relies on the direct experiences of human beings as meaning-making agents in their everyday lives. Rather than biological and statistical procedures, qualitative research uses multiple systems of inquiry for the study of human phenomena including biography, case study, historical analysis, discourse analysis, and ethnography, growth theory, and phenomenology.
The three major focus areas are individuals, societies and cultures, and language and communication. Although there are many methods of inquiry in qualitative research, the common assumptions are that knowledge is subjective rather than objective and that the research learns from the participants in order to understand the meaning of their lives. To ensure rigor and truthfulness, the researchers attempt to maintain a position of neutrality while engaged in the research process. And the next is, where does qualitative research come from? You can see on the slide. Human beings have always attempted to understand the world in which we live. Before the 9th century, questions about human existence were answered from the Bible, the Church, and from Greek philosophers such as Plato and Aristotle, who believed that the process of knowing was absolute, systematic, and logical. It was during the late 18th century when the pursuit of knowledge experienced a scientific crisis. Other philosophers such as Immanuel Kant, William Dilthey, Edmund Husserl, and Maurice Merleau-Ponty believed that life consists of what we experience in our activities and reflections as we live out our personal histories and that we live in a matrix of complex relationships with others. Therefore, humans cannot be studied as isolated units but must be understood in the context of their life world or cultural and social connections. The seminal work of this philosopher paved the way for the birth of naturalistic or quality inquiry.
Do you know the difference between qualitative and quantitative research? Most simply put, quantitative research is concerned with measurement and numbers, while qualitative research is concerned with understanding and words. Qualitative methods allow the researcher to study selected issues in depth and detail without being constrained by predetermined categories of analysis. So, quantitative methods require the use of standardized measures in order to fit the different perspectives and experiences of people into a limited number of predetermined response categories to which numbers are assigned. And next, you can see from the slide, while quantitative research values control, qualitative research values openness and flexibility. The quantitative researcher maintains an objective detached stance, but the qualitative researcher is considered to be the key instrument involved closely with the data collection and analysis. The statistical data of quantitative methods obtained from a great many people results in abroad. generalizable set of findings, meaning there are certain and said to be parsimonious. In contrast, qualitative methods produce a large amount of detailed information about a smaller number of people that results in rich understanding but reduced generalizability.
So, the next slide explains about the qualitative and quantitative methods involve different strength and weakness and therefore should be seen as alternative but not mutually exclusive strategies for research. What is most important for the qualitative researcher is to be familiar with the different qualitative research approach. Then, researchers can make informed choice about what they will use for their studies and why they will use them. When the comparison and distinction among the approaches are clear, and the researcher can then design a more rigorous study. So that's all about our presentation.
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
And subscribe.
thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.